Hey guys, I'm back and it is time to unbox my December Stitch Fix for the month of December in the year of 2020. Now, for those of you who aren't aware, Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription service. Basically, you get 5 items every month that is curated by a stylist who goes through everything that you like. So what you do is you take a style quiz, you input your measurements, you talk about maybe colors you like, styles you like, things you don't like, and in turn that stylist picks 5 things out for you every month and sends them to you. You only pay for what you keep. So normally there is a $20 styling fee with every box, but after you've done Stitch Fix for a couple of months, you might be invited to join something called Style Pass, where instead of paying a $20 styling fee for every month, you just pay a $50 styling fee for the year. Otherwise, it's still the same and you only keep the items you like. Otherwise, if you don't like anything, they do send you a prepaid mailer that you can send it all back in. I might have forgotten something in there. Let me know in the comments down below, but let's go ahead and dive on in. So before I do open this box, you can request certain things of your stylist. So for a while, I've requested different things like booties. I've requested a moto jacket. There's been a couple different things I've requested over the months, if you will. I was gonna say years, but I've only done this for 1 year now. And for this box, so hypothetically in 41 days, not that I'm counting, I'm gonna be in Disney World. And I think we're prepped for everything, but I was like, you know what? Something that I enjoyed a lot was when I asked my stylist to pick out things that might be good for a road trip from when we did our South Dakota trip a couple of months ago. And I got some pieces that I would have never thought of. So I decided to let her know, like, hey, I'm going to Disney. Pick out things that you think would be good for a Disney trip. So let's see what my stylist's Disney inspired box is. Granted, I doubt they have any like Disney licensed gear in here because that's probably some money, but it's going to be stuff that's most likely going to be good for going to Disney per se, but maybe we'll be surprised together. So off the bat, I am seeing some shoes. I want to look at the style card first before I really start unboxing all this, but spoiler alert, there's a pair of shoes in here. So something in here is, basically they want you to give your Stitch Fix affiliate code out to your friends. That way you both can get money off, which I'll put mine in the box down below. If something, or if Stitch Fix is something you're considering trying, I will say I've loved it so far. My only concern is that it's a little pricey sometimes for what they send you, which, you know, it's not for everyone, but I have a lot of fun in doing this box. It's literally my favorite box I've gotten of all time. So anyways, enough ranting. Let's dive into the card. So every month you get a card with your 5 items, and they also have suggestions on how to style each item, and then there's also a note from your stylist. So let's see. Okay. Oh, some of this looks cute. So let's go ahead and see what my stylist says. She says, hey Amanda, Holly here, and I am excited to work with you. For this fix, I imagined Disney in January or February, and I thought pants and lightweight long sleeves might be a great idea, so I'm sending 2 outfits that I hope you'll enjoy. For one outfit, try on the light jeans with a green detailed crew neck pullover. For a more casual look, I am sending the black leggings with pockets with the off-white top. For comfort and style, I threw in the stylish sneakers so you can be on your feet all day walking around the parks. As always, please leave feedback for each item so I can send pieces you will just love. Are there any cuts, color styles, or items you would like to see for this season in your fix? Any other items for the winter season or for the trip? Let me know. All the best, Holly. So I've had Holly for a good number of fixes now. It took me a while to find a stylist that I really enjoyed or who really seemed to get me, but Holly seems to fit the mark there. And then there's also an invoice. I don't like to look at the invoice until the end, until after I've had a chance to try on everything, because I don't like the price of things dictate how I feel about it. I want to give my own opinion of it, and then I'll see the price and be like, oh. Anyways, let's look at these shoes. I saw them in the picture, and I didn't know how I felt about them. So these very much, okay, so they're EVs. There's a brand name right there. The picture made them look like they're gonna be more pink, but they are fuzzy tennis shoes. And I can tell you right now, I don't currently have anything like this. I'm at a loss for words as to whether or not anything like this would be quite my style. In theory, I like this, but I think we're just gonna have to try them on and see how they look. I did think they were gonna be more pink though, instead of this like beige color. I wanna look at the cardigan because I'm a little confused, I guess. Okay, the card to me makes that look pink, and these are definitely not pink. So we'll have to see what the invoice says about what color they are, but yeah. Oh, here on the shoe bag tag, it says tan. So I don't know. I would have liked these in pink as well, I think. I'm just not sure how I feel about these shoes overall. Let's see. There's something inside the shoe bag. Oh, it's just a little instructional card about what you're supposed to do. So after you are done with unboxing your fix and trying on everything, you can go back onto the app or the website and fill out feedback for each item and let your stylist know how you liked it. And this card was, for some reason, telling us how to do that inside the shoe bag, which I'm clearly not a first time stitch fix. It's hard to say for some reason. Subscriber. Let's look at the rest of this bundle, and at the very bottom of the box there is a prepaid mailer to send back anything I am not feeling in this fix. Okay, so this first item, it looks like it is a sweater. It is pretty thin looking, but it is so soft. Oh my goodness. This is, I'm not feeling it on a couple different levels. I do like the style. I'm just not thrilled about the colors and the blocking of this, but we'll give this the good old-fashioned college try and see how I feel with it on. The next item, I saw this in the card and I got very excited. So I love me some floral print. I love me some green. I love me some teal. And this kind of has the best of all of those things. So it is just a very simple crew neck, but it is floral. I like this. I like this a lot. This might be like, depending on how this box goes, it might be the only thing I keep. The next item, so I saw these and they are a pair of capri pants, which I'm hesitant because I feel like Walmart actually does pretty decent activewear. But these are pretty name brand, so you know they're gonna be money. And I do see the pockets on the sides. So I don't know, again, I'll try it. Not convinced. And then lastly, it looks like a pair of jeans, which honestly kind of look almost identical to the ones I'm wearing right now, but that might also be because both these jeans and the ones I'm wearing now are Just USA, and these are the pants that I got in a Stitch Fix from sometime earlier this year. I can't even remember. They do have some light distressing going on, and they are a skinny jean. The difference is the ones I'm wearing are the kind that have the button detail instead of the zipper. So we'll go ahead and try all this on, and I'll be back in a flash. So here is outfit number one that Holly recommended I put together. It is the floral top with the jeans. I went ahead and paired the shoes with these because the shoes would probably go with the other outfit as well, but I just decided to go ahead and wear them. So I'll pan down here in a second after I give my thoughts on the shirt. So I love this shirt. I love this floral print. I love the background color. It's like a mixture between green and teal, both of which I love. It is very flattering in my opinion. And confession time. I just had a whole pot of mac and cheese. Can't even tell it. Look at that. That's how flattering this shirt is. So anyways, the shirt is probably gonna be a keeper. I'll pan down here in a minute. So here are the pants. They're just your basic skinny jeans. I think they're cute. They're mid-rise is what I was gonna say. I was gonna say mid-waisted. Is that the same thing? I don't know. I do like the jeans. I do like the minor distressing. They're very comfortable. I've gotten a couple of different jeans from the Just USA brand and maybe a couple tops now from Stitch Fix, and I've pretty much liked it all. And then here are the shoes. So I like them. I don't love them. And I can already tell, just walking around the house in them while I was trying all of this on, is that we're gonna have some blister issues on the back here, because every time I walk, no matter what I do, it rubs against the back of the ankle, which is the same reason why I hardly ever wear like ballet flats or any type of shoe like that. It's either like flip-flop or full-on like sneaker or tennis shoe, kind of like the Reebok design. I do like these. I do think the fuzzy is cute, but it's not practical, and I don't think these would do well after a whole day spinning them or inside the Disney parks. I think my feet are gonna hurt, and that's not gonna be a good time for anyone. Okay, so here's the top. See it without my hair completely hiding it. So this creamy pinky part, very sheer. So I did have to layer a cami underneath. I just thought the brown was a better color than the black. I don't know. It's very comfy. So while I'm not a huge fan of this sweater in general, it is so comfy that like, if it were stupid cheap, I would get it. But it's Stitch Fix. We know it's not gonna be stupid cheap. And then I did pair it with the high-waisted yoga leggings that she sent me. So this is what they look like. It's might be a little bit hard to tell on camera, but I do have like it's kind of like a muffin top, but it's enclosed in these yoga pants. So there's like a pseudo muffin top thing going on. It's not like a straight line. These pants are very tight. I do have it in my profile that I am curvy. So that is something that the stylist will take into account when they get clothes for you or pick out clothes for you, is that some items might have a little bit more stretch than others. With that being said, this needs more stretch. Almost everything they send me, I'm like, needs more stretch. But I do like them. I'm just worried they are going to be overpriced, and I will pan down in a minute for you guys to see the length that we're working with. So I did expect them to actually cut off like a couple inches higher, but I'm not mad about that. I do think they look good. Like, I think they make my legs look good. They do well with my German lady calves, as I call them, my thick calves that have always been thick ever since I can remember. A lot of the times I have issues with leggings that stop midway up the calf because it feels like it's cutting off my circulation just because they're so tight. And I don't really have that issue with these, so kudos to that. But this is another one of those things that like the price is gonna have to be right for me to consider keeping these leggings. Oh God, at this angle, the pseudo muffin top looks even worse. It's probably that entire pot of mac and cheese I just ate, but let's disregard that. Anyways, let's go look at the invoice. Okay, let's look at this invoice. So the sneakers, whoa, they were $98. So those are getting sent back. The green top that I really liked, of course, is $68, the green floral print top. The pants, the skinny pants, those were $58. Ooh, this is quickly turning into a lot of money. This top is only $42. It's actually the cheapest thing in the entire box. And then the leggings are $54. So subtotal of everything is $320. But if you do keep everything, you do get a 25% discount. So if I were to keep everything, that would be $240. So here's the deal. I actually specifically opened up a Poshmark shop. That way, if I liked maybe just 2 to 3 items in a box, I would keep them and be able to sell the other 2 items in order to still get that keep 5 all discount, and then also be able to maybe save a little bit more money by selling some of those items off to whoever likes them, whether it's, you know, you guys, my viewers, or whoever just shops on Poshmark. But with this being said, ooh, this is difficult because I like that top. It's $68 is a lot of money. And after I finished trying everything on, I was like, I'm probably gonna keep the green top and the skinny jeans because I really liked them. And just those 2 alone total up to $130. And that's a lot of money just for 2 items. And this is This is one of those fixes where I can't even justify keeping all 5 items just for the keep 5 discount, or the, you know what I mean, the 25% discount, because I'm not convinced the other 3 items are gonna sell well in my Poshmark shop. So I think what I'm gonna do is I am going to let this percolate for a day. I'll try to get this video uploaded tonight, and then I'll give it a week. If you guys see anything in this fix that you guys are like, I love that, I would totally buy it from your Poshmark shop, I'll consider keeping all 5 and putting it in the Poshmark shop, and I'll try to let you guys know. If not, then there's a very real chance that I'm just keeping the top, or possibly sending all 5 back, because $68 is a lot of money, even though that top was bomb. I loved it. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, consider doing all the things that makes the YouTube algorithm happy, such as sharing and subscribing and liking and turning on the notification bell and all that jazz. Anyways, stay safe and happy out there, folks. Happy holidays.